Hello all and welcome back. So today's video is raising awareness. And I wanted to kind of show in this video that there are many ways to do that. One of the things I have done is I have created a challenge for the people who play Wizards Unite to try to get to a certain number of acts of awareness before, including the walk and roll challenge, before the end of the month. Obviously, a lot of people play Wizards Unite, and movement is one of the things that's included in that. And I thought it would be a great opportunity to spread awareness as well as show the world that the community can unite to help many different things, especially where a number of people who have EDS also play Wizards Unite. Now, I know there's a lot of people who play Wizards Unite that don't have EDS and may not even know what it is. So that's part of the reason I've been doing that. Obviously, these videos, share these videos. Let other people get to know what EDS is about. I actually live stream me playing Wizards Unite, and I've talked more this month about having Ehlers-Danlos syndrome than I have in any of my other videos. Even if you don't want to share this video, there are some videos that can help correct misconceptions about EDS on this channel, how to get diagnosed, different things like that. That can be helpful to share with other people so that they can be aware of it. I think a big part of being aware and raising awareness of EDS is to realize we all have different ways of raising awareness. It may be talking to friends, it may be talking to family, to doctors, etc. It may be sharing pictures, different things like that, such as we are doing this month. But another thing is not just during the month of May. Yes, the month of May is a great time because it's a reminder to keep raising awareness and to raise awareness. And so they give us all these prompts and hints of ways to raise awareness. But remember, it does not have to be May to raise awareness of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Throughout the year is the best way, because you never know when that one post or that one picture that you share or that one video or that one conversation will be the difference between someone realizing what's going on and not. Now, another thing I'm going to do is I live in Cache Valley. I'm going to put that straight out. If you live in Cache Valley and you see this video today, which is the 21st, please contact me. The reason why is I actually have had some masks made that have a zebra on them, or a bunch of zebras on them. And I am going to be hiding those throughout Logan today. And I'll probably be live streaming on Wizards Unite as I do it. And I'll share both on the Wizards Unite Discord for Cache Valley and the Pokemon Go Discord for Cache Valley that they're out. And we'll see what happens. I would like to I think I've got 16 different masks available. I'd like to see those worn throughout the valley, especially during this month, to raise awareness of that. So that's another thing that I am able to do that can hopefully help raise awareness about EDS and things like that. So if you're in Cache Valley, contact me. If you're not, think of some ways that you might be able to raise awareness that maybe you haven't thought of. And leave them in the comments below, because we'd all love to hear those ideas to both raise awareness during May and continue raising awareness throughout the year. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.